Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, July 25 of 2025. I'm Gio Benacourt, and this is a recording done by Vantage Markets right about half an hour prior to the USA session open. Well, in this 4 hour chart, candlestick chart, we're seeing how the market has basically been created a tight range. It did have this particular uh, wild swing here, but so far after making this double top here is retracing, making a little pullback here, but again back into so far what this particular range has created, or particular this parabolic movement is what this parabolic movement created. So again, we're looking at this particular range here. Now, is it gonna stay here? Will it, as it fluctuates lower, will it find, will it come and meet the last 4 hours swing low, and from here do a reversal, or will it come down towards where our first level of support is the 20-day moving average? So the direction, when I'm looking at, it could probably be that we have a value that is psychological, 23,350. So that could probably be the case. Or it could now start just turning back up towards 23,400. And this is going to be our first level of resistance, obviously. The 20-day moving average, our first level of support. And then the second level of support will be basically this previous swing, double top created there. Anyway, now we have the S&P 500, kind of the same fluctuation, obviously, as the Nasdaq. So let's see. Let's use the same criteria, and then the 6430. Let's see. So looking now, it's also Friday, uh, so we could also be probably be expecting a pullback. But let's see if when once the now usually the market opens, are being steady, and the S&P being up on track for its fourth positive week. So let's see if it'll do that today. Now the Dow, uh, it has the same particular scenario, uh, and it's actually more defined. So we are creating a coffin of congestion, as I call it. And from here, obviously, a breakout or a breakdown. So a breakout or a breakdown could happen. It's Friday, so it could also just stay put and just wait. But obviously, we have earnings report, so that will also bring us into effect. That will bring us some volatility. Then we have crude oil. So crude oil in this 4 hour particular chart has fluctuated to the upside. So after on the 23rd, making that swing low around below 64.73, from here it has spiked all the way to the previous last 4 hours, all the way high at 66.67. The moment is pulling back. RSI is still below over below the overbought. So let's use a 50-day moving average as a first level of support, and 65.80 psychological value for support. Resistances we have already fluctuated above. Obviously, we need to make a change. So 66.80 and 66.61, the top upper Bollinger Band. So let's see if we'll do another attempt at making a higher leg. Ooh, Nat Gas is completely this. Now look at the low volume in reality. If you look at the body, also you could measure volume by that. So it's a very low volume. Now this could be set for a good possible breakout or breakdown. Okay, So let's keep that in mind. I'm gonna use 305 and then the lower Bollinger Band since we are so tight. It is weak and also so maybe not too much movements here. So gold is retracing after making a nice move to the upside. It's retracing, so let's use the moving averages for support. Let's use the lower Bollinger Band, and I'm gonna lower this puppy to 33.20. It has so this here's my scenario. Coughing up congestion or consolidation, if you will, right? And then a breakdown. Prior move, it's been trending lower. So profit taken is in the works. Silver not having such a strong pullback as gold, but however it is trending lower. That breakdown began already, so let's see how much more of it are we gonna see. So a 50-day moving average and then 38.40. That's pretty good level right there. Then we have copper. So let's take a look at copper. See, coughing up congestion, consolidation, breakdown. Those are good levels to trade. So since we're right there, let's just use previous swings and then the 50 moving average. So speculation to the downside. Let's look at Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin is getting ready to make another pop. Is this just profit taking, bringing the value of Bitcoin lower, or is it going to make a deeper retracement or deeper correction? Let's see. All right, so then we have the euro. So the ECB leaving rates unchanged. It was anticipated in reality. It was factored in already. That move has brought the euro to test that 117. So let's see if it'll do so, and then if it does, it'll continue to move lower. Let's see if today it will be able to hold itself steady above 117. The pound, the pound has a stronger move to the downside. So 134 is going to be that psychological level of support for the pound. It's right out at me, it just jumped out. So 134.80, no, it's too low. 134.600, and then up the 50-day moving average. So that orange must be picking up steam, and it has. Look at that movement to the upside. Little confident congestion and a breakout. So it's trending higher. So 97.80, and then let's just use this doji here for support. All right, so it's bouncing off the 50 moving average. So if it continues to make again higher highs and higher lows, or obviously trending a lot higher, it'll put pressure on the currencies and the metals. That's it for me today. Have a great weekend. I'll see you Monday.